Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I have an adorable little package from Alum and Ink. Now, you guys know that I love this company. I really do. And the designer is just the sweetest thing. And I'm not affiliated with her in any way. I'm just a fan. But she has a Patreon group, and I've kind of been holding off on joining it, but sitting here going, I kind of really want to join it because she's got all kinds of unique things that you can only get through there, and she only releases in that way. So she does a unique pin each month, and you can either get a pin or a sticker of some kind of, I think it's an endangered species, or it's just a unique species of animal. And I love animals. I do. So I've kind of been sitting here going, I really want to join that. But of course, it's one more subscription. So, I mean, it's not really a subscription, it's a Patreon thing. But yeah, it's kind of like a subscription because every month you get it. And it's really inexpensive, but I think it was like $12 for the pin, a B grade pin. And she ended up sending me a sticker as well this time so that I could show you guys what is, what you can pick between. The sticker I did not pay for, the pin I did. So let me pull these out for you so that you can see. I think she just recently upgraded her, like added a new tier to where you can get both the sticker and the pin. And you guys tell me if that is something that you want to see me unbox, or if you want me to just stick with the pins. Because for right now, I think I'm just doing the pins unless you guys let me know otherwise. So here we go. This is, oh, I wish she had a card in here or something that told you what it was. I think it's an Eastern, it's some kind of Eastern lizard. I don't remember what it was. Maybe like an Eastern green lizard. I'm not sure. But he's really, really cute. He really is. I like him. And we actually looked up because she tells you what it is going to be the month before, or before it comes out to you. And my husband and I actually looked up to see what this lizard looks like in real life. And they really are like this. They have the green bodies and the blue heads, and they are just really adorable. And I love the color green in this and the blues. It's very pretty. All right, so now I'm going to show you the sticker that you could choose between. And these are some really good size stickers. And they are on a clear background. Although it looks white here, it's actually clear when you peel off the backing and stick it to something. But isn't he cute? He's so adorable. I like him. And that's a really good quality feeling sticker too. It's hard to describe what that is. I don't know if it would be safe to put on a car or not. It feels like it is, but sometimes you put something on a car and then the colors fade. So I don't know that I would do that. But she did send me an adorable little bonus sticker. So if you weren't sure and you did get a bonus sticker and you wanted to try something on your car, you might be able to try like the bonus sticker if she sends you one. Like, this was just a bonus that she put in there for me, which I appreciate greatly. Thank you so much. But, maybe, I don't know, email her, ask her. She might let me know once I send her this, in which case I will let you guys know the next time I unbox one of these. But yes, I think they are adorable. There's the pin again right next to the sticker, and you can see how big that sticker is. It is pretty huge. And all of her pins come with 2 bags, which I'm going to turn mine into a needle minder. You know that. But that's really awesome for anybody who wants to use it as a sticker, as a pin. I'm not saying that my son doesn't steal this one, because it being a lizard, there's a good chance that he's going to steal that. I don't know what he's going to do with it though. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will link her and, well, her regular website and her Patreon page down below. So if you want, check her out, and I know you're not going to be disappointed because her stuff is awesome. And I think I read that that's like 20, I don't know. I think it's actually gold plated. So they're really nice pins. I will see you guys again next time. Bye.